be nice if you could actually just push a button and all this noise would just go away. Let's try it. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh wait, let's try something else. Well, that seems to have worked. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about this product that does exactly that. Hey, it's HighTechDad, and welcome to my channel where I review all types of gadgets and gizmos and family tech. I do how-to videos, sometimes an occasional fix-it video. And today we are going to be talking about these things that I have on my head. And thank you first to Naztech, who sent me out a product sample. And what we're looking at today is the Naztech Aura 360. And these are active noise canceling headphones. And I'm going to talk about it. Unfortunately, I can't really take these and put them on the camera, so you're going to have to take my word on how this works. So I will be going into an unboxing where I show sort of close-ups of the product itself. But let me first go through some of the key features here, which I do on the unboxing part of this. And instead of just reading from the package, let me tell you about some of the features that it has. So first of all, it's got 24-hour active noise canceling. And what does that mean? What is active noise canceling? You can get a lot of headphones that have this, but some of them don't last as long as 24 hours. And what it does is it listens for ambient noise around you, like that leaf blower, and it generates an opposite waveform that it then sends through. There are microphones on the headset itself, and it generates that active noise canceling reverse wave. So essentially it masks out sounds like if you're on an airplane and there's that roar that you always hear, or if you're commuting and you're on a train, or if you have a leaf blower going or something like that. So this particular product has actually three and a half different types of mode, and I'm in the half mode right now. So basically, these headphones fit securely over your ear, and they muffle out the sound with the soft padding around the headset itself. It's not actually touching my ear, so it's just the padding that is touching the surrounding area of my ear, and that muffles a lot of the sound. So that's sort of the half noise canceling. Then it's got the active noise canceling, which when you push the button, it starts generating that reverse sound. And let me tell you, it deadens the noise around you. So you may not get rid of the kids screaming, which is probably a good thing. You want to be able to hear that type of a noise, but you can actually activate by just pushing the noise canceling button. You can activate different modes. You can turn off noise canceling, so then you can hear the surrounding noise around you. It's just like wearing regular headphones. Then there is another mode where it's called transparency mode. So some noise does come through, so you can actually activate that and you can have a conversation with someone. And then when you want to deaden out everything, you can go to the full active noise canceling mode by just pushing the button again. And you hear a voice prompt each time you change modes within the headphones. So that's very nice to have. And then it deadens out everything else. So let's take a look at the Naztech Aura 360 active noise canceling headphones box. And then more importantly, take a look at what you get in the box. So nicely packaged. What I do like about this is you can actually open it up and you can see the headphones here. You can't actually touch them, but you do see, yes, the product is in the box. And there are some very high level things that appear on the box that talk to some of the features. Obviously, it's Bluetooth powered, 24-hour active noise canceling. It sort of shows you the slim profile here. And then on the back, and I'll bring this in a little bit so that you can see some of the different things. So as I mentioned, a bunch of different features here: active hybrid, adaptive hybrid active noise canceling. Wow, try saying that fast. Ambient transparency mode, distraction free playback time, playback with ANC off, ultra fast charging, HD audio with deep rich bass, titanium coated drivers, over the ear design. That's a nice thing to have. Low pressure ear cushions and seamless telescoping arms. So then it also talks through the onboard controls, which I'll show you. It comes with a carrying pouch, the USB-C charging cable, which is nice to have. And I always love seeing a 3.5 millimeter aux cable, which means you don't always have to use Bluetooth when you're connecting. You can directly connect these headphones to your keyboard. And I will definitely test this out in terms of audio performance, both with playback and also to see if hopefully it does record with the direct connection. So that's pretty much everything on the box. So now let's open it up and take a look. There is actually a little thing here that says open. So once again, dad safety tip, be careful with sharp objects. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting sharp objects on, opening things here. Let's see what's inside. Looks like there are more plastic tape items on here. So I'm going to try to clear those. Then we can actually get to the unboxing. And of course I have ripped the box. Always a hazard. All right. That is disconnected. And let's see what's inside. And it looks like it's just carefully packaged for transport. I'm going to flip it over. Here are the headphones. Nothing else inside the box. So, as I mentioned, there is a nice padded case. It's kind of like a fake velvet. It's kind of nice to store the headphones. It's got some branding on there. You have your instruction manual, which I will definitely be opening up and taking a look at later. And then you have the two cables that it comes with. So that'll be the USB, looks like it is USB type A and USB type C. So you can use some of the older wall chargers with this and then plug it probably into the headphones. And then you have the aux cords. So then here are the headphones themselves. They are fairly lightweight. You can see right away that there is an indicator for the right and left ear. You can also see how it is hollowed out so that it is not sitting on your ear. This part is on your head. It is a soft sort of memory type of foam on there, and then there is also foam padding on the top. Doesn't fold any more than what you can see here, so you can fold it flat. So let's look a little bit closer at the headphones themselves. So you have, looks like on the right side, luckily they have the R there. You have some up-down volume types of controls. You have the aux cable plug. You probably have this little hole here, I'm guessing is a microphone. You have the USB type C charging port, and then there are some other items on here, and I'm trying to get it to zoom in so that you can see it. So there is the ambient mic and the power and probably some more microphones. So remember, the active noise canceling listens to the sounds around you so that it can generate an opposite wave pattern to effectively cancel out the noise. And that's pretty much it. All the controls look like they are only on the right side. And so let's give this some testing and see how this all works out. Some other key features about this. So you can actually pair this with two devices simultaneously. So for example, I have it paired with my iPhone and with my work computer. So they can both be connected at the same time. And there is a trick to doing this. You have to pair one and then get it all connected, then turn off the Bluetooth on the first one, and then you pair it to a second device while the Bluetooth on the first device is off. And then it's really nice because you can be listening to music on your work computer or your home computer or whatever. And then maybe if you get a phone call, you can just pause or stop the music or whatever you're playing on your computer and switch over to your phone and then have a full conversation. And yes, you can do conversations. There is a mic in here. Just remember that sometimes when you use a Bluetooth microphone, the audio quality is not as good. I was going to actually try to record a video with this using the headphones, but unfortunately I didn't find the quality to be that good, and you have to use some third-party apps. Not a reflection on the sound quality of the mic, but more on the type of Bluetooth connection that it makes. And you'll find that's very common with other types of microphone or headsets that have microphones. So love that feature though about being able to pair two devices simultaneously and switch back and forth with them. So you do have all your controls on the right headset, and the headsets are labeled on the inside so you know which one is right and left. So you have the power on off and pairing button, which is the same button that you use for switching on or off the active noise canceling. And then there are other controls on the other part that allows you to adjust the volume directly on the headset or pause playback, as well as be able to skip songs and that sort of thing. So it's all right here at your touch. And of course, if you're using your phone or a computer, you can adjust the volume that way. So that's really nice. You do charge the headphones using the included USB charger or cord. It is a USB-A and USB-C type cable, but I just plugged it into a USB-C cable that I had for charging other devices. And let me tell you, it does charge very quickly. It probably only took a couple of hours to fully charge. And there is an indicator on the side that shows a red light when it's charging, and then it turns off when it's fully charged. It does also come with a 3.5 millimeter cable. So if your headset is dead, out of batteries, you can physically plug in the 3.5 millimeter from the headset to your computer or to your phone with the right adapter, because no one seems to have 3.5 millimeter anymore. And you can listen to playback. But remember, it is an analog playback versus with Bluetooth, it's digital. It doesn't drain your battery. And also when you're in analog mode with the cable, you cannot turn on the active noise canceling or adjust anything with the volume on the buttons. But that's okay. In a pinch, it's nice to have the ability to plug in a cord. Also, you cannot record any kind of audio when you have the 3.5 millimeter plugged in. So the only way to activate the microphones is when you have the headset fully turned on. So what about the sound quality on these? So like I said, I have been using these for a few days now. Used it at very low volumes with the various types of noise canceling on and off. Done it also at very, very high volumes, probably really bad for my ears. Don't do that. But I didn't notice any kind of distortion. I found that the bass is really, really solid, and the highs are extremely crisp. So this is a nicely rounded pair of headphones for a price point that is under $100 and below that even. So this is comparable to some of those more expensive headphones out there, and you get the 24-hour active noise canceling. If you're just using noise canceling alone, that's great. So obviously when you have noise canceling on and you're playing music or listening to audio and that sort of thing, your battery life will be a little bit less. It also depends on the volume level and that sort of thing, but this is an extremely good headset for the price, and the sound quality I found to be quite good. So I've been using the Naztech Aura 360 now for a few days, and I have to say they are very lightweight, very comfortable. I was blasting music and no one could really hear me in the room. And that's due to the over the ear design here. So you can see it is recessed, and then you have the padding right here. The top part is padded, and it is adjustable to fit all types of head sizes. It doesn't fold other than just folding flat like that. Does come with the carrying case, as I mentioned. But overall, I really like these headphones. They are hopefully not going to be stolen by other family members, um, but I really enjoy it. So hopefully you found this review interesting. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment if you have any questions. I do have a discount code for this particular model, so I'm showing it right here. It's going to also be in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on social media. Just search for HighTechDad on social media. You should be able to find me. You can go over to my Facebook page, and that's at facebook.com/HTD blog. And all my content is on my website, including reviews and videos and how-tos and fix-its and all sorts of different things like that. And my website is at HighTechDad.com. Again, hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be producing a lot more video content in the coming weeks, and I'll see you in the next one.